Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Number Fun. It looks like we're going to have a lot of fun with our jelly beans. We have a jelly bean graph today. Let's take a look at the colors of the jelly beans along the bottom. You can say the colors with me. We have red, orange, black, purple, white, yellow, green, and pink. And then along the other side of our jelly bean graph, we have our numbers. Let's count up our numbers. At the bottom, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. And now here we have our dish of jelly beans, all of the colors. We're going to take a jelly bean out and figure out where it should go on the graph. All right, we have a white jelly bean. So where do we put our white jelly bean? Take a look along the bottom. There it is. That's the white jelly bean row. So we put our jelly bean in the first box. That means we have one white jelly bean. All right, let's keep going. We have yellow. So we take a look along the bottom. There's our yellow. We put our yellow jelly bean in the box. We have one yellow jelly bean. All right, this is fun. Now we have an orange jelly bean. Here's our orange column, right? We start at the bottom with 1. The next colored jelly bean we have is green. Very good. You know your colors. I wonder if we're going to get a jelly bean of every color. What color do we have now? Pink. Very good. Let's put our pink jelly bean on our graph. All right. What's our next jelly bean color? Black. Very good. We'll put that right on our graph and keep going. Our next colored jelly bean is purple. That's right. All right, so far we have all of the colors except red. I wonder what color we'll get next. Green. All right, so now where are we going to put the next green jelly bean? In the next box, right? So now it tells us we have 2 green jelly beans. 1, 2. All right, let's keep going. What's the next color? Orange. You got it. We'll put it in the next orange box. All right. Our next jelly bean to put on our graph is white. Very good. We'll put that in the next box by white. Our next jelly bean color is orange. You got it. So far, how many orange jelly beans do we have? 1, 2, 3. That's right. And you can see the number 3 right next to the last jelly bean. All right. Oh, here we go. We didn't get a red jelly bean yet. That's our first red jelly bean. There we go. We'll put it in box number 1. All right, let's keep going. What's the next colored jelly bean? That's right, it's black. So we'll put that right on box number 2. All right, you guys are good with your graphing. We have an orange jelly bean next. So remember, each jelly bean gets its own box, right? Can jelly beans share a box? No, they have to have their own box on a graph, right? Good job. What's our next color? That's right, that's red. Very good. So that red jelly bean gets its own box. Oh, okay, here we go. We have a yellow jelly bean. So that goes right in the next box. All right, let's see what color next. Green. So we'll put the green jelly bean on our graph. How many green jelly beans do we have so far? 1, 2, 3. All right, our next jelly bean color is pink. We'll put the pink right on our graph and we'll keep going. Our next jelly bean is orange. So we'll put that in the box and we can see that jelly bean goes right along with 5. So we know we have 5 jelly beans. All right, let's keep going. The next jelly bean color is white. We'll put that in the box by white. Make sure it has its own box. Next color, orange again. Looks like orange is taking the lead here, right? How many orange jelly beans do we have? You take a look at the highest jelly bean on the graph and look over at the number, and it's number 6. And if you want to count just to make sure, you can. Do we count the picture of the jelly bean? No, we start counting with the jelly bean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's the 6. Great job. Let's keep going. What's the next color? Pink. You know it. We'll give that pink jelly bean its own box. Another orange jelly bean. Wow. The next jelly bean color is green. You're right. We'll give the green jelly bean its own box. And then we're going to go back to the dish and get another jelly bean. We have a white jelly bean. Put that on our graph. Back to our box of jelly beans here. What color do we have now? Red. Very good. You really are very good with your colors, boys and girls. What color do we have now? Another red. All right, red is coming on strong here. Let's see what's next. The next color is green. We know where that goes. Right with the green jelly beans. Oh, we have another orange. Look at this. We've reached the top of the graph with our orange jelly beans. Number 8. Look at that. All right, let's see what color is next. Black. Let's put our black jelly bean on the graph. All right, our next color is pink. Very good. There's only a couple more jelly beans in our dish. Look at that. We have red. We'll put the red jelly bean on our graph. And another red jelly bean. We'll put that on our graph. All right, our dish is empty. We graphed all the jelly beans. Hip, hip, hooray! Now, let's take a look at our graph and see how many of each jelly bean we have. Let's take a look at the red, since that's first. We could count each jelly bean and see what number it is, or we could just take a look at the highest jelly bean and look at the number right across from it. What number is that? That is a 6. So if you counted the red jelly beans, you should have 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. That's what's so great about a graph. It has the numbers along the side for you. All right, what's our next color? Orange. So if we take a look at the top, orange jelly bean, take a look at our number. What number is that? 8. So we should have 8 orange jelly beans. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is great. Now if we were looking at red jelly beans and orange jelly beans, which one do we have more of? Red or orange? Which one do we have more of? That's right, we have more orange jelly beans. Orange is more than red. Now listen to this question. Which color do we have less of? Red or orange? Which one is less? Right, red is less. It only has 6. Orange has 8. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. Let's count up our black jelly beans. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And if you look across, you see the number 3. Awesome. Let's count purple. This will be easy. How many purple jelly beans do we have? 1. Just 1. All right, let's go to white. Let's count out the white jelly beans and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. And if we look across the row, we can see the number 4. All right, here's a question for you. Just looking at black, purple, and white, which one do we have more of? Which one is most? Black, purple, or white? Which one do we have the most of? Just looking at 3 colors. Which one is the most? That's right. White is the most with 4. Which one of these is the least? That means the fewest. We don't have as many. Which one is the least out of these 3 colors? That's right. Purple is the least. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's head to yellow. How many yellow jelly beans do we have? 1, 2. And you can see that right on the graph. How many green jelly beans do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. And the last jelly bean, how many pink do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Just looking at these 3 colors, yellow, green, and pink, which one do we have the most of? Which one has the most? Yellow, green, or pink? Which one has the most? Right, the green has the most. It has 5, doesn't it? All right, here comes the last question. Out of these 3 colors, yellow, green, and pink, which one do we have the least of? We don't have as many, what color? Yellow. You got it. Hip, hip, hooray. We want to do a cheer, don't we? How about an Oreo cookie cheer? All right, Oreo cookies up. We're pretending to lick. Ready? Great job, boys and girls. Awesome job with the jelly bean graph. It would be fun to do this at home too, wouldn't it? All right, I'll see you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.